I'm here now. So that uncle said that it's near, so we are. Uncle, थोड़ा रास्ता बता दो. इधर इधर ओके आवाज सुनाई दे रही है भाई I'm damn sure 80% that we are going to be disappointed, but let's just disappointed. Fucking hell. क्या हुआ? Dude, first time in my life, okay? भाई आवाज तो मेरे को कब से सुनाई दे रही है, बट इफ इट्स नॉट द वाटरफॉल, आई एम व्हाट इज ही सेइंग? कोई सुनो यार. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस कुआं. सो आई गेस दिस मनीष. क्या? अरे यार वो नाम वाम तो अच्छा. किधर है सर? नीचे. आई मीन आई डोंट माइंड इंक्लूडिंग अ मैन विदाउट इवन. यही है. ये कहीं से गिर रहा है नीचे. कितना कितना? अरे यार चलो ना, देखते हैं अभी. ठीक है. Okay, so they're saying that this is going down, but I mean I need to check if he's literally telling this the truth or not. So we are going to inspect it on behalf of these two fuckers because they are not willing to. So let's just. Oh, wait for me. So the bag साथ में लाने का idea was very not good apparently. But yeah, let's see. This is the trail we are following, and I think they're gonna miss us. They're gonna take us down. But we are a fucker. We are from a fucker's family. Not fuckers family. If my dad will watch it, he'll kill me. So not a fuckers family, but a good family. So we are alone now. No one is gonna come for us. This is what we are bound to do. It's going down. It's going down. I still have hope. I still have hope. I am praying that it has to worth something. Yeah, na. If it's not, I am so done. Oh my leg. It's paining. I'm getting old. Fuck. Let's go आगे. If there's nothing, then we'll come back and then. Well, this is not good, but since we are so हमारी नस चढ़ गई है, and I don't think we can continue. This is the struggle we have to fucking face. Oh my god, and I'm barefoot. I don't have shoes on. Okay, and यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. So we're gonna go back. Yeah, I know what's the the road is. So I think they're gonna wait for me. I don't trust them. See, this is the shit we are following, and it has to fucking fall somewhere. If it's not falling, I'm not returning today. That is for sure. Oh my fucking god. Dude, the barefoot shit is crazy. It has to fall somewhere.